around, I say about 11:45. We're about to go to the beach. I'm ready to go to the beach, take some cute pictures. I'm gonna get some footage. It's just gonna be great. I've been waiting to go to the beach for so long, especially since I've been working so much. So I'm excited.
It's looking right now. We got views looking. There's some people parasailing. They're doing the banana boat, the yellow boat, and it's just really pretty. Like it's really pretty. I'm just ready to get out there. There's also some people there at the pool. What are we doing first before we get out here? Pool. Okay. Pool. The beach. We're doing the pool on the beach first. Do the pool first, and then you don't bring the sand back up. We took up this whole elevator. Look at all this stuff. Don't worry, I'm recording this, Nicole. I'm recording this. Okay. Go, Samantha.
So we're finally out on the beach. The sand is super hot like it was yesterday. It's pretty crowded right now. I'm finally at the beach. About time. It's like 12 o'clock and I've been waiting for 2 weeks for what feels like weeks, basically. Airport right there. I can smell y'all alcohol. Very strong. I smell alcohol. I smell a gas bottle. Say cheese. Cutie. KJ. KJ.
Hey, Jay, look at them. Look at them.
So now I'm just in the lazy river. Excuse the audio right now because it's kind of messed up because my phone is in one of these protective pouches right now, and I just have it I have it around my neck. I'm just floating, got my sunglasses on. Or as one of my friends would say, has the sunnies on. But I'm just trying to relax, really.
Don't drown over there. You can sit down.
It's way down.
You're wearing splashing.
It's okay.
You don't care about your... No, come on. Well, I can't be scoot down. Come over here.
Come over some.
Let's go. Woo! Woo! Is that valet? Oh, never mind. I didn't know who was in the car. But now we're back at Broadway at the beach, and we're about to eat at this restaurant. I really forgot what it's called, but some restaurant with Paula Deen, and you put out a bunch of like plates. It's kind of like a home-style restaurant. So hopefully it's pretty good because I'm really hungry and tired, and my dad's been talking about it all day. So we'll see. This is at the Paula Deen restaurant. He has table of 12. Okay. Oh, it's a food. Where should we sit? I
She
guess
said
the
the
kids.
5 sit here and the
All right. You got the spare ribs. Mac and cheese, broccoli casserole, fried chicken, fried peas.
oh, that one right there.
As soon as y'all need more of anything, just let me know.
Okay, thanks. How you feeling, Daddy? How you feeling?
I feel full.
Mama,
Mama might not want to walk around.
you're full. You're full. Again. Okay, well, did I eat a lot, Daddy?
It's amazing.
It's amazing. I know, right? I'm still not full. Are you full?
I'm so full, honey. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh my Lord Jesus.
They love to eat.
They do love to eat. Ooh. Look at it.
I should have brought my phone.
You don't need your
I
phone.
should have brought it.
You should have brung it. Get off that pole. Don't lean on the pole. Oh my God. The part of the beach, I'm with half of my mama's family and another part of my mama's family is here. This is the Hilton Grand Vacation Club. Hey! It's a nice little hotel, real nice. Super tall. Real nice little area. I think this is still South Myrtle Beach. Pretty nice though. Hi. So they're staying on the 14th floor. The view is so pretty, and you can see that that over there, he's not wearing. The view is really pretty from up here, and like I can see like the Ferris wheel and like different things, but it's super pretty. I love being high up in hotels because they always have the best view. Y'all watch that. What are you doing, Riley?
So what?
Hey, Riley. Nice. Have like a bedroom, has like 2 beds in it, has like a little hallway, full kitchen. They got the crown. Daddy, the door is open.
Housekeeping.
The door is open, Daddy. This is nice too. We could get something like this.
this.
Look. See, Daddy, look. Has like 2 beds. Come up here, stay for a week.
So what is this called?
What's in there?
Bathroom.
Oh, there's a bathroom. This is nice. Got another bedroom. I'm ready to see what this view look like.
Get down. Get down.
Your father.
Ooh.
Come here.
This is a nice view. Hey! Oh, this is pretty. This is another part of the beach. Okay, so this is a different part of the beach. This is how the hotels are looking. These are some nice hotels too, but they're kind of like pricey. So if you're trying to like spend a little bit of buck for your money, I would like come out here, because these are nice too. Okay, it's just beach.
Yeah, but I'm saying, Nicole parked down there.
Blow
with
some
Fred.
bubbles at me.
She didn't park on the level with me.
Woo!
She said she was the first to hear really
Bubble
he
party,
parked. They not parked right there.
yay.
Because I was the one.
I like your bubbles.
She picked up her key.
Wow, they have AJ. I don't know what happened, but I must have gained weight because all my swimsuits don't fit no more. And I got this a month ago. I don't know what's going on. Devin, where are we going? Oh. This gets super crowded, so we went and claimed our seats this morning with some towels, and now we're here. I am back at it once again, back in the lazy river. It's not as hot today, which is kind of good because I was burning up yesterday and my feet were burning and everything, but I'm definitely going to get some footage on this water slide. Yeah, relax today. Got my feet in the water. For the day, and I'm dressed and everything. Just a simple dress from H&M. I'm not really sure. KJ, back up. Thank you. And I'm just wearing this simple dress from H&M. I don't really know how much it costs, but it's in a size 2. And I just accessorized with some gold hoops from Forever 21. These are probably about $5. So today we're going to Captain George's, and it's just a really nice seafood buffet. I'm mainly just gonna eat crab legs today. That's what I really come there for, crab legs. Tonight I'm gonna go see Annabelle and then later tonight I'm gonna see Back up. I'm gonna see Annabelle with my roommate Talia, so hopefully it's scary. I haven't seen a good scary movie in a long time, so I'm hoping that it scares me.